Woo, almost ate it. There you go. Oh! Oh, fuck. Are you good?
I hope you like prison food and...
Yo, random drone here. This is a completely random drone. We don't know where the hell it's even from. Someone around this area, I guess. Better get this drone footage someday, whoever you are shooting this. Woo! Yep, yep. In a tree.
Hey, buddy, we gonna hold it for you. It's coming to the down. No, just put it down. Put it back down. And then he can fly back up.
Yeah, unfold the wings though. Unfold the wings.
I'll unfold it for you, buddy. Go ahead.
He can't hear you. He's back. Let's go. His gimbal's stuck, yeah.
Can't see. I'm trying to fix it so you can land it.
That hurts? Yeah, you got anything to say to the people after that spill?
Wear a fucking helmet. I was a dickhead before not wearing one, but now I do.
But now you're just a dickhead that loops with a helmet.
You know, bro. I might have to get a BBL the way to go.
Good, you're good. All right, go wheelie now. All right, well, with Shade's wreck, we're gonna go down to MLK here. He ate it pretty hard. I know his ass is just very red. It's gonna be very bruised tomorrow, but this will be a straight road back into the city. Hell of a lot of fun today though, guys. This is exactly what I want to do when I go out and ride. So when I don't do this with the group I'm with, I have less fun. So riding with this group, ton of fun. Oh, ow. Listen to this sound. Woo! See, this is the place where you get coasters. All coast, all coast, all coast.
I'm not going one side of
Enoch suck for me. Was Shade about to hit one after his injury? Oh, I thought he was. Yeah! It's the only way you come back. You're back! So one wheel. See, you gotta get right back in the saddle after this. Hey, Shade!
You won't let it crash out.
Got any more redemption? Come on, let's see. One more. Let's see one more. Hey, you're right back in the saddle though. That's exactly what you gotta do. Imagine, bro, imagine. Imagine if you just looped again. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So much more content to come. I'm meant to make a walk around video on this bike super soon. I've had a couple people comment about it, but make sure you're tuned in. I will catch you next time. Peace.